So I decided to remove the front subframe out of the car. It's pretty simple because this is a really small subframe. It's really nothing. It's just this, and it's pretty easy to get it out of the car. We have this one goes under the roof. Did I say roof? That's a floor. Wake up. And then we have this one going in. Well, we have it there. It's obvious. Look at how nice everything. This is factory paint, and the car is 35 years old and has been used in this harsh environment in Sweden during winters. And then it just sat outside, so I'm pretty impressed actually. And then was the usual kind of thing here, marking up stuff. I try to mark everything a little bit more serious, but of course there's gonna be questions anyway when putting things back together again. I could just leave this one hanging there. It's wait. It sits there, and I could just remove the mounting bolt and then just let it hang there, and then I had so much less work, way less work, to not having to remove a lot of piping, because there's piping anyway. So note to self here, those pipes to the power steering, they goes in between here. Yeah, but now we're gonna have this one removed. The first look at the front subframe when it's out of the car is there is some rust actually. We have this here. There's no there's no doubt this is on every four-wheel drive BX, and this is probably the same design on the two-wheel drive cars too. I don't know, I have never seen any front subframe on a car like that, but this is, you see this piles up here, of course it's gonna rust. And you see this, there's an issue, pretty thick steel there too, so it's been going on for a while. Look at that, have to change that. And then I saw that little troublemaker here. It's pretty bad here, so we have some work here. It's amazing how small it is. It's you can actually just you can carry it like nothing. It's very light. So let's have it apart and see how much swearing is involved with fixing it. Let's have a little looky inside the front subframe. Look at this. It is completely dry. There have never ever been any kind of rust protection in here. So where it's been double layer, like here, you see there's the spot welds I've been grinding off, and I just cut off this bad section, and where it's been moisture trapped in here, it's been of course rusting. And here, I don't know what this is. It's like a grayish surface. I don't think that's a galvanized surface, but anyway, it's dry. It's totally dry. This is new section I've been welding in. You see the welds from inside there. We're looking at the rear mounting that goes underneath the floor, under the floor of the car. So yeah, need to change some metal here. So after some hour of grinding and welding and not that much swearing actually, we have a new piece of steel there. That's the underside, and here's the side that is facing the car's body. Way much stronger now. Then we have this little thing. I think I'm done with welding now. The last little thing was this thing here. Looks pretty ugly, but there's no priority for things looking good here. We won't see it anyway, and what we want here is to make it strong, which I suppose this is now. Yeah. Maybe I can't reach here with a normal grinder, but I think I'll just file it down some way. Yeah, and then I'm gonna clean this mess up and paint it. I started to clean the engine compartment because it was all black. The right side is the automatically rust-proofed side because it always leaks LHM there. Yeah, so that's one thing done, and I also spent the day, at least before noonday, fixing this one. It's gruesome. I've been sandblastering and wire wheeling. I just left this in the middle here, and also on the other side, because that paint is just good. So why mess with it? This little thing I had to remove one side, so that is again welded. And this is also the side where I've been changing metal. I think you can see the seam there, and it's all down here. This is going to be pretty okay now, I think. Then I'm, of course, gonna paint it black. But I ran out of paint, so I had to go shopping. And now I'm gonna go in and have a shower because this is disgusting. But it looks nice now. But I'm not looking that nice, I can assure you. Okay.